What's up, everyone? We're back finally. Today we have an easy video because only half of the stuff that I've been ordering for my motorcycle has shown up. So today we have just the pod air filter and my lowering kit for this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the lowering kit on first. We'll do a before and after of where it sits. I'll measure it and everything. And then we'll put the filter in, and we're going to hope that with just the filter, I don't have to jet it, but everywhere online says I'm going to have to jet it. Now that we've deleted the pair valve, the air box, we're going to a straight pod filter. So I'm going to start taking all these covers off, and I'll pick the camera up when we get ready to take off the factory lowering links. I don't know why I couldn't think of it. So yeah, we'll pick the camera up in a second. Alright, so we got everything out of our way. This is the link we're changing right here. So let's set you guys up. It's longer, so it's supposed to drop the bike. Pretty sure the one that I bought are supposed to be 3-inch drop, so we'll find out. Everyone can see the bikes. It's on the jack, but it's not like it's not up in the air. So set you guys up here. Bottom of the fender, 24 inches. So technically, putting that link in should drop us down to 21 inches. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think these are what I'm supposed to have. So we'll, no time lapse today. I'm just buzz these out. You can see the other ones down in there. It's going to be kind of more of a pain in the ass to get to, but it'll be easy. When I get the first one out, I will show a comparison, and then I'm going to double check with the eBay listing, make sure I got 3-inch drop, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I got them out, and the original one, eye to eye, is 5.5, and the new one is 6.25, which is only an inch and a, not even an inch more. If you look at the ad, it says 3-inch lowering links. So I'm gonna figure out how to get the one bolt out because the frame is stopping it. So I gotta figure out how to do that, and then pop them in. We'll find out. So figure it out. All right. So I figured it out. The easiest way is took out both shock bolts, and the shock came out. So then the dog bone, that's what I'm going to call it, came out, or to lift up, the bolt came out. So we got the new plates in. We will get it under its own weight. Still go down a little bit more. Alright, so you guys can see that's on its own weight. What was it? 24 inches, guys? We're at 22. Maybe it'll settle a little bit more once start riding, because it has been on lifts and So we'll get it all back together. All of this stuff back together. We'll put the filter in. We'll start it and we'll see what happens. Ooh, while we're on camera, I don't know how the kickstand's going to react to being lowered 3 inches. So, it's completely off the stand. As you can see, the stand is not holding the bike up. Sweet! I don't have to adjust the kickstand. Maybe 2 inches, or 3 inches, is going to be perfect for this. So yeah, I'm going to get it all back together. I'll pick the camera up when I'm done. Alright, so we got everything dressed in the rear. We got air filter on, which is a little ridiculous, but everyone who's done this mod, the Naked Jugs mod, or whatever you want to call it, that's the filter that everyone says to use. So this is one we got. It's going to squish down. It's really going to restrict air. So, throw the tank on. Oh, maybe it doesn't squish down too much. Hook up the fuel pump. Line. Gonna plug this wire in, whatever the hell this is. I think this is just a light or something. I don't know. It's pretty simple to get this thing back together. This is the part of the video where it's going to get really fucking loud. There we go. All right, well, because I don't have any of the right mounts, the things I couldn't take the camera with, but I rode it and it runs good. I do need to tighten my brake, my rear brake, because there was nothing there and I forgot that I have no rear brake. I mean, it looks good. I love how low it is now. I do notice it in the steering, so I think I might lower the front 2 inches, maybe 1 inch. Other than that, I think it's a success. So I do have a jet kit for the carburetor, a Dyno jet kit stage 1 for this. So that'll help with it. Like it's spitting and sputtering on the low end, like when I'm trying to start going from like a stop. But it feels like it pulls really good through everything else. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna make sure that everything back here is nice and tight. Double check all that. Put on a helmet and probably take it out again after I fiddle fuck with the front end a little bit. Something else we're gonna try to do today is I don't always have a backpack on, so I'm going to see about mounting one of my old saddlebags. Just one of them, though. On this side. Probably just going to be zip tied straight to this, which I don't give a shit. I mean, this isn't a show bike, so I don't fucking care. And then I'm going to take this off on this side because I don't need it. Tighten my brake up. We are taking these off. I don't care about these. Those can go. I might keep this one. This one's getting taken off. Oh shit. I think I have to take the whole fork tube out. Or I can just take it off with a grinder. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I have new covers coming in black because my left side's broke. So got these coming in black. Jet kit. And I got foot pegs coming. I finally ordered my foot pegs. So that's where we're going to end this video off. It's going to be a short one. Like I said, I'm still going to do a couple things here and there. Live software. Yeah, I love it. I will try to find the right adapters to hook my camera up to this and then go for a ride in a little bit.